Okay, folks, Bob here, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. We got ourselves a Disco Monte Carlo. I believe this is a 75. We'll walk around a little bit more. I just walked up to it. I don't do any rehearsals. I just walk right up to the cars. Unrehearsed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a 75. No, it's a 74.
This year is the Shriners International has been around for 150 years.
It's good to see some of these disco era cars being fixed up.
Our hospitals are actually 100 years
As of today, I own 2 disco cars and I'm making a deal on a third one.
And so we've been around for 100
Now, I drove one of these in high school. Mine was a 75.
because people like you for 100 years.
It was given to me by my parents. I didn't buy it.
So thank you.
I only drove it a little while before they took it away from me and made me buy my own car. I ended up buying a 74 Cutlass, which I guess technically would be my first car, because I made payments on it and I picked it out. The other cars were just cars I was allowed to drive that were part of the family. Alright folks, I hope you guys enjoyed that. This is throwback with the Kragers, just like 1974 through the 70s until the economy crashed and they went to driving little imports. Just noticed something on the gauges. It's got custom gauges in it.
Just like this.
Yeah, cool. This will be a nice driver. This will be a really nice driver. Stood the test of time. I'll take this any day over a modern Camry. Alright folks, we're going to walk over to the swap meet. I see a lot of cool stuff over there. Hope you enjoyed a little trip back to the boogie days.